Welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the Nintendo Switch 2 Plus Mario Kart World Bundle, HK version with adapter included. Product link is in the description below. This bundle is built to combine next-gen Nintendo hardware with one of the most iconic racing franchises in gaming. The design is sleek and modern, featuring the updated Switch 2 console with improved ergonomics and performance. Engineered for versatility, the Switch 2 supports handheld play, docked TV mode, and tabletop multiplayer. The Joy-Con controllers retain motion control and HD rumble features, while offering enhanced responsiveness. The build quality is premium, with Nintendo's trusted craftsmanship ensuring durability and reliability. The HK version includes an adapter for international compatibility, making it convenient for global users. Performance is where the Switch 2 shines. Equipped with upgraded hardware, it delivers smoother gameplay, faster load times, and improved visuals compared to the original Switch. Mario Kart World showcases these enhancements with vibrant graphics, fluid racing mechanics, and expanded track selections. Whether you're racing solo, competing online, or enjoying local multiplayer, the experience is immersive and fun. The handheld display offers crisp visuals, while docking enables full HD output to a TV for cinematic play. Usability and convenience are highlights. The Switch 2 supports physical cartridges and digital downloads, with expandable storage via microSD cards. Wireless connectivity allows online play, while local wireless supports multiplayer with nearby consoles. The intuitive interface makes navigation simple, even for new gamers. The included adapter ensures easy setup regardless of region, making this HK version bundle travel-friendly. Durability and convenience stand out. Built with Nintendo's trusted design philosophy, the Switch 2 is engineered for long-term use. Its blend of portability, efficiency, and modern aesthetics makes it a smart investment for gamers of all ages. Use cases are broad. For families, it's a shared console with multiplayer fun. For travelers, it's a portable gaming system. For enthusiasts, it's the gateway to Nintendo's next-gen exclusive library. For casual players, it's approachable and easy to use. In summary, the Nintendo Switch 2 Plus Mario Kart World Bundle combines upgraded hardware, immersive racing gameplay, and global compatibility in one package. If this review helped, please subscribe, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments.